Welcome guys to a new video. In this video the young birds will go out for a fly, or at least I'm gonna try it, and I will show you the rest of the birds. The young birds just come back in from a fly outside. As you can see, they just fly for a few seconds around the loft and just fly to different buildings around the loft, so they can learn where the loft is. Just feed them just a little bit. Eat and know that if they come back into the loft that they can eat, so they will learn to when I call them that they come in. Now they're just chilling. The young white birds are also growing fast. Then we are with the widowhood males. We have 2 more pairs on eggs. This one, I think they will be hatching shortly. And then we have 2 young birds that we have to band today. So that's what we also do. I'm gonna band these 2 youngsters. First one, then the second one, And it's done. We are feeding the young birds. I also feed the male birds and the hens. So this was the video for today. I hope you liked this video. Please give a thumbs up for me. Also subscribe to my channel, you can do it down below. I would appreciate that. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.